Hey guys, it's Giles and Myles from Mindful Chef, and we are back in the kitchen today with two very special guests from SportsAid.
Yeah, every week we send athletes up and down the country food, and tonight we have Georgie Twigg, Olympic gold medalist, and England under-21 hockey player Morgan Myles.
Yeah, SportsAid enables guys like these to prepare for their future and become the very best athletes they can be.
Yeah, we're going to show you how easy it is to cook up a Mindful Chef dinner and how Mindful Chef can help these guys.
So Georgie, tell us about SportsAid and what it does for athletes like you.
So SportsAid helps young athletes at the start of their careers with financial support and also giving them the recognition at an early age.
So Morgan, you're at university.
Yeah.
All right. How does SportsAid help you? And also, what's your cooking like? Be honest.
SportsAid has really helped me because not only has it given me financial support, it's also given me a support network whereby I've been involved with people in the same situation as me, going through the same things, like struggling to cook. And it just helps all round. Like Georgie said, it's just the full package really, and it's really, really important for a young athlete to have that sort of support.
Georgie, I hear you're on a right chef, which is better than most for some athletes who have chicken and two veg. What do you love about the service?
Yeah, I love cooking, and particularly with Mindful Chef, I love the variety it gives and the recipes that sometimes you just can't think of yourself.
Yeah, tonight we're cooking up our sticky sesame chicken with kale and egg rice.
Fantastic, let's get going.
All right guys, so here's a Mindful Chef bag, okay? Every week our customers get all of the pre-portioned ingredients along with the recipe card to cook up.
So I think you're going to be in charge of the chicken. Is that okay?
Yeah. Morgan's got that.
And I'm in charge of the choppings.
Okay, so Morgan, it's SportsAid week.
Yeah.
Can you tell the guys a little bit more about what it is and what you guys are doing?
SportsAid has really helped about raising awareness and also funds for the causes of the charity, ultimately to raise awareness of the young athletes and the support they get and the support they need and that sort of thing.
Awesome,
So,
amazing.
Get on with it you guys, we're already flying over here.
Georgie,
Yeah,
question everyone wants to know, where did you keep the medal?
Well, I've actually got it here with me today.
Have you?
Yeah. But I normally keep it just at home because if I want to go to any schools or anything like that, they obviously don't really want to see me, they want to see the medal.
I've actually had one around my neck before.
Oh, well,
Oh, stop it.
But I'll always take a second.
So Morgan's over here doing the eggs. We're basically done now, which is great. We can just chill out, nice and relaxed. Myles likes to yabber and then he realises that his side is about 10 minutes behind everyone else.
Teaching some skills over here. Okay, cool. So we've got chicken in the oven. Morgan, well done. You've managed to whisk the eggs. Good start. Morgan, can you throw some oil into the pan for me, please? And then we've got spring onions, chilli and kale here that Georgie has chopped. She's also left the seeds in, so she obviously likes it quite spicy.
Bit of a kick.
So we'll just get these in for 2 minutes.
The nice thing, about something like even something as simple as that, we would never even think to probably throw all those ingredients together.
Okay, Morgan, we need those eggs to go in the pan, okay? And I need you to just keep whisking up all of that with that one. And now, Georgie, you're now SportsAid alumni, okay, which means you get to come and do really cool stuff like this. But more importantly, you actually received SportsAid when you were younger, right?
Yeah.
So how did that actually help you?
Phenomenally. I think as a young athlete, kind of obviously you're battling with so many different, demands of school and club. So to suddenly get the support, one, it's kind of that boost of sort of, you're on that journey of, to an elite pathway.
So that's what's really great about SportsAid, guys, is you're actually helping out the future stars like Georgie, like Morgan, and these, it's just giving them a bit more funding when they're younger so that they can go on to hopefully achieve their dreams, achieve their goals, which will in turn help inspire all of us to, do a bit more as well, be a bit healthier.
Right, so there you have it. Fantastic evening. We just cooked up a sticky sesame chicken with egg and kale rice. That was phenomenal. Thank you very much, guys. That was awesome.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. And you guys at home, make sure you donate to this amazing cause, help support future stars of tomorrow, and let's all get involved in SportsAid Week.